Hey, what's going on, everybody? Larry here with you. I am back to do my recap for today, Wednesday, October 1st. I'm still doing dumb stuff. We'll get into that here in a second. And like I said, I'm going to be straight up about everything because, I mean, if somebody is having trouble, and how are they going to learn if I'm not being honest about it? So right out of the gate, I blew 3 Apex funded accounts first thing this morning. It was a mistake on my part. I had 28 funded accounts total. To me, that is kind of hard to trade them individually and not try to force a trade. So I thought, you know, I will copy trade them. I'll trade them in groups of 3, and that's what I did. But I had my ATM strategy. I'll show you right here on the chart. You can go up here and click this button here, and it pulls down different strategies, like 50K news. See, it changed my contracts to 10, where I was trying to get those evals passed. That's what I was trading. And I could have swore this morning that I changed that. I got quick buttons right here as well. It goes through and changes my strategies as well. But like I said, I had it on 50K news where I was trying to pass those evals. I was full porting, and I mean, I know it's a mistake on my part. I cannot believe that I'm still making mistakes like that. I've been trading now for 6 years. I've been trading futures for 2, but that is something that I shouldn't be doing. But I want to be full transparent about it. I mean, that's just something I shouldn't be doing right now. And mistakes happen. I mean, there's nothing you can do about that. This morning, I will go over in a second, but when I got in the trade, I looked and I knew something was wrong where my profit and loss numbers was multiplying so fast. I thought, oh, hell. And then, I mean, the bottom falls out of the market and it liquidated me that quick. But yeah, I mean, it sold me out. It made me sick to my stomach. First thing this morning, first trade I took, I blew 3, and I thought, how in the world did I do that? I mean, that should not happen. It's something definitely where I hadn't copy traded in a while. I got to get back into the hang of things of double checking everything. But I still think I'm going to have to copy trade. I'll probably just go to 2. I'll just copy trade 2 accounts simultaneously, or I can rotate through all of them. But we will go ahead and get in the numbers real quick, and then we'll go over this chart. Let me find my thingamajig here. As you can see right here, Apex, I am down to 17 accounts. I lost 3 today that I'm going to have to try to get them back, as I hate to. But I had pretty good profit on all the rest of my other accounts. All the trades I was pretty happy with. The total on them was $28.85. This one I did not trade. I was waiting on payout approval. It did get approved, so I can trade it tomorrow. I still need to get into that video about payouts and stuff. So with that being said, let's jump in down here to the chart. And I did highlight the trades I took. This morning the market opened and we shot up and we pulled back and we shot up again and we pulled back to VWAP. I was thinking that this would be a repeat of yesterday. I entered the trade because this candle turned green for a second. I entered the trade thinking that VWAP would be support. We would shoot back up. This candle come out of nowhere, and that is what got me. I mean, it liquidated me just a couple of seconds. I blew them 3 accounts. It made me sick to my stomach. I seen what I had done. I run up there. I need to change that actually while we're talking about it. I need to go back to regular. But the market kept dropping. We broke through the 15-minute range. I took a trade to the downside, caught a few points. We pushed back up. We made it back above VWAP. We pulled back. This was the trade I was looking for over here when I got liquidated. When we started pushing, we got above this red candle, the body. I entered the trade, a few points, and same deal here. We pulled back, pushed, got above that body. I entered the trade. Same deal here, entered the trade. We broke through this trend line and we pulled back to it, and I got in the trade. When we got above that body again, up here we broke through the 15-minute opening range. I took a trade to the upside. Up here we had a bull flag. I took a trade when we broke it. Another bull flag. I took a trade when we broke it, and another bull flag. And I'll tell you, I wasn't expecting the market to run like it did today, which after that, I didn't have no more trades, but the market just kind of kept going up all day. It was kind of choppy and going up, but with this government shutdown mess and non-farm payroll coming up Friday, I wasn't expecting us to make a new all-time high today. That would have been the last thing I thought we would have done, was push up that far. We actually made it to 25,036. Yeah, I'd never thought we'd have made that far. But again, that was just a quick recap of the trades I took. Hindsight 2020, the chart is always perfect. But hey, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you all tomorrow.